In the last quarter of 2018, I have this heavenly vision. And on year 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023, for 5 consecutive years, I told you guys that beginning on year 2027, this world will start to decay. The world will come to its end. And for 40 to 42 long years, there's no evil man that is found upon the face of the earth. That's a prophetic comes from the Dead Sea Scrolls. And I told you about these guys. So now, prepare yourself. Prepare for the doomsday, for the tribulation will begin on 2027 for 40 to 42 long years.